Will you get that boyfriend again? No, you don't know. Or will Deepak get the same girlfriend whom he has a crush on? Instead of thinking about the future, or instead to dig out about your past, what has already happened, maybe a relationship, maybe someone said something wrong to you, all of that part which you keep digging into your mind, that why did he say this to me? I was so nice to him, but still he said this to me. How dare he is? And you've been digging out all of that matter all over again and again and again and again and again. Do we do that?
Yes, sir.
In life, changes are always good, irrespective of any change. Any change, be it we are talking about the change of environment, we are talking about the change of person, we are talking about the change of situation in life, we are talking about the change in family or anywhere. Trust me, all the changes are good, because when there is a change in life, then you start doing something new. And the most important thing, if we talk about the change has to happen. Change will always happen, be it is a situation or maybe a person or maybe any financial change. Because if there is a change which has to happen, it will happen. But what is more important? The importance is you need to accept it. And what is the biggest challenge for you is, and the challenge is we don't accept it. And the most important question is that we don't want change in our life. And that is something which bothers us. We never want, because the biggest problem in our life, or the biggest question in our life, is that we do not want to change it. And the person who thinks that I don't want to change it, so does it mean that the situation will not change? It will still change it, but this time that person will be in more problem. Whereas there are two-person, imagine there are two-person, situations will change accordingly. But the person, one person who always open to the change in environment or in the society or anywhere, whereas the other person who doesn't want to get change, will the situation or environment not change for the other person? Actually, when we think that this shouldn't happen, maybe the change shouldn't happen in our life, then trust me, maybe in the next step, you find something which you have never expected. And that can only happen when there is some change in life. So there is a one word which we always say, embrace. Embrace the change. Embrace means accept and be with it. When you embrace the change, life will be more helpful. Of course, people come in your life and people will go from your life. Life cannot be in a straight line. It will always have ups and downs, right? Likewise, people will also change. You might find Deepak Bhaiya so polite, so humble at the moment. Maybe in some period of time, he may not be the same. But the problem is, I as a person who thinks that Deepak Bhaiya will remain the same way throughout his life. So that is not Deepak Bhaiya's problem. It is my problem. Because we are a person, we are a human being, and we will change. Because change is a nature. Thing, the situation will not change, or things will not change, he will or she will be in the problem in life. Because things will automatically change. And the most important thing, we always believe that this is my, bad time. Like pandemic is going on, isolation is there, illness is there, environment is so negative, people are so polluted, things are going so bad, I'm not getting my job, I am so pathetic, I do not know this, I do not know that. All of this crap thing, we always think about it. But what are you thinking? Will this situation not change? This will also get changed. Of course, this will also change. This pandemic will go over 100%. Sooner or later, this will get over. Things will be normal. Things will be back to the normal. Everything. You will get your job. Things will go smooth. Everything will be like the same. But if you have enjoyed this corona period, if you have enjoyed something at this moment, you will always remember this throughout your life. So the most important thing in your life is this moment, this day. Instead of thinking about the future, or instead to dig out about your past, what has already happened, maybe a relationship, maybe someone said something wrong to you, all of that part which you keep digging into your mind, that why did he say this to me? I was so nice to him, or I was so extremely happy with it, but still he said this to me. How dare he is? And you've been digging out all of that matter all over again and again and again and again and again. Do we do that?
Yes, sir.
Very often we do this. Either we dig out our mind in the future, that I do not know what will happen to my future. Will I get a job? Will I do this? Will my parents understand my problem? All of this we think about the future. Or we dig out our past. Oh, I wish I could have chosen science. Oh, I wish I could not leave that person. Oh, I wish I did not say this to this. We always do all of that stuff, don't we? And we don't understand what are we losing. We are losing this moment, which will never ever in your life come back. Can you get this moment tomorrow? Never. So always understand, embrace the change and live your present moment, because this moment is inevitable. This moment will never ever go anywhere if you enjoy this moment. So you should always have your 100% focus on this moment. Never ever go back to the past, which has already happened. Jo past mein hona tha, that has happened. You cannot change it. You think throughout the day, still you cannot change it. And if you talk about the future, that is something which is again not in your control. Will you get the job? No, I don't know. You may or you may not. Will you get that boyfriend again? No, you don't know. Are you getting it? Or will Deepak get the same girlfriend whom he has a crush on? No, we don't know. So likewise, we might think all of this stuff all over in our brain. But trust me, we do not have any control over. Neither we can plan things, because what will happen in future will happen. So what exactly you have? What do you have in your moment?
Present.
This moment. This moment which you have only. Past, no control. Future, you don't know. This moment, you know that you can do anything. So always important, always embrace the change. I do not mean that you do not, value the relationship or you should forget about your past. No, I mean always remember the good memories about the past. Always remember your childhood. Always. Whenever you are in a bad mood of your life, extremely bad mood in your life, trust me, go back to your childhood. I can make you sure you will start smiling on your face. You will smile. Go back to your childhood when you used to do all those naughty things. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Let's hear something from you all now.
Sometimes we cannot able to accept it. It takes so much time to accept, because sometimes we cannot able to accept the situation. That's the problem happened.
Let me tell you when you do not accept or when do you have the problem with the change. wherein, let me give an example, like you all are here, I do not expect anything from Dhira and Sujata or Sushmita Di, but I expect Deepak should always join the class and say, hello, bhaiya. Simple, very simple. He should join and he say, hello, bhaiya. And he says the same thing every day. He says the same thing every day. And now I have this expectations that he joins the class and he says, hello, bhaiya. And now, and whereas Dhira and Sujata also says the same thing to me, hello, bhaiya. But I do not expect. Even if they say it, I'm okay. If they do not say, even I'm okay. Right? Some given day, I realized that Deepak bhaiya did not say hello, bhaiya to me. And I was like, you both have said it. Dhira and Sujata said hi, bhaiya to me. But Deepak bhaiya did not say hi, bhaiya to me. And I was like, I am not complaining him now, but I'm thinking in my brain, what happened to Deepak bhaiya? Why is he not saying this to me? Because, and this happens because I have some special space in my brain for Deepak bhaiya. Therefore, I have some expectations also. And with that expectation, I do not expect or accept that he will not say hello bhaiya to me. Therefore, I do not accept it. And trust me, Pushali Didi, when you raise this question that we do not accept this situation, it only happens that imagine there is only one special person in your life. Everyone has it. Everyone has it. That special person in life whom we want attention from, whom we want compliments from. And when we do not get it, we get hurt. Whereas if we avoid that person and try to look in the world, so there are 99 more people who are giving importance to us, who are valuing me, who are wishing me, who are saying a lot of things to me. But trust me, I am not looking for those 99 people. My attention is that one person has to say this to me. And that is something which always bothers us. So Pushali Didi, to answer your question, no, we always accept the change. It's just that with that particular person whom we have kept in our brain, we accept everything from him or her only. An entire word may come to say, entire word may come in your life and say good morning to you, but you do not like to listen from entire word. You want that person to say good morning to you.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, Sri Didi.
Actually, Bhaiya, there is a one thing that expectation hurts a lot. There is a one line. In previous day also, I am expecting someone that he or she wish me or something. Now my attitude was like that, who cares that he or she giving me wish or say something good for me? Who cares? That's why I'm saying that expectation hurts a lot.
I would say, see, expectation will always be there. You're right, Sri Didi, that we should not have expectation. But since we are a human being, we always have an expectation, maybe some lesser or more. But we should always be flexible enough. See, understand the situation. A person who is flexible in his behavior and in physical body, both. Let me give you a comparison. So if the person is physically fit or flexible, he can perform any act in the world. He can do gymnastics, he can do swimming, he can do anything. Likewise, a person who is flexible in his brain, flexible with the situation, who doesn't take anything so seriously, that person can live his life or her life anywhere. Be it you can send that person into any jungle or any forest, he can be happy there also because he's flexible enough. So you should always be flexible enough with your thought process. It's okay. Friends may come in your life and will leave in life. Are you getting? Friends, people good people, bad people, every situation will come in your life and will go from your life. But it will always give you some learning. So you have to hold that learning and let the people go. Because people or situation or behavior or nature will change. You cannot hold anybody, not even your parents. Your parents may be extremely sweet when you were born, but slowly and gradually they become hard enough. They even punish you. They even, sometimes even they beat you. So that's the way. So situation, everything will change in life. You cannot expect things will not change. So good thing will also change, bad thing will also change. And what you have to accept it, the most important thing which you have to accept it, things will change. If you have this
Actually,
thought, yes, Punandi.
every changes teach us something. So maybe it good or maybe changes are good or maybe bad, but all changes teach us something.
True, true.
We should be
Absolutely.
ready.
Absolutely. And most important, we should accept this.
Yeah.
We should always accept it, that things will change.
And move on.
Yes, and simple, move on. And there is always someone better or good in the next door. There is always. Because maybe that person may not be the last person in the world. And maybe that girl may not be the last girl in the world. So you'll always have someone better. But it's just that you have to have that patience in life. Are you getting?
Yes, we should accept all these things ahead, because
Yes.
what has to happen, it definitely happen.
Yes. And Deepak Bhaiya, trust me, though I can understand, it's quite easy to say and discuss all of this stuff. But yes, when you get into the reality, things doesn't turn up in the same shape.
Difficult to accept.
Yes, difficult to accept. Because imagine we tighten things so tightly. Imagine a relationship or maybe something, maybe a situation in life. What do? We hold it so tightly that it becomes so difficult to loosen up. Maybe a relationship, we have held it extremely tight because we have never ever thought this situation in our brain that we will be away, we will be apart. We never ever think about it. And though in those situations, things happens. Then we get shocked. Oh, what happened? How can this be happen? So things will happen for sure, but always accept, because God's planning is always better than our own planning. God gives us what we need in life, not what we want in life.
Yeah.
Okay, so at this moment, God wants us, or God knows that you all or we all need English. So God is giving English to everyone.